We farm in the place that has the most hours of sunlight per year in the whole of Europe. That is why our produce is always available, fresher, more direct. From the field to our customers in any part of Europe or the United Kingdom, with all the freshness, flavor, quality, and safety that Almagro Nature guarantees. We are producers. We have our own farms so that we can guarantee our planning. We also collaborate with the best producers who are specialists year-round organic and conventional growers of peppers, courgettes, and cucumbers. We are committed to healthy foods, which is why we support good agricultural practices and are holders of the most stringent certifications. We work to provide the fastest and most direct service to all our customers, which translates as greater produce freshness and availability. We manage the land and people responsibly, which is why we have developed a sustainable production and sales model that is aligned with the Global Compact, the SDGs, and Agenda 2030. Fresher, more direct. Almagro Nature.